First, it says to factor this completely. So first, we're going to pull out anything we can that's common. I found a negative 2 in all of them. I pulled that out. We're left with 4x squared minus 11x minus 3. Now, to factor this, it's difficult. So we're going to use the graphs and the x-intercept. So I've graphed it, right? I've put y equals 4x squared minus 11x minus 3, and I've graphed it. Now I'm going to find the x-intercepts. So I go second calc, zeros. We want something to the left of this one and something to the right, and then we're going to give it a guess, and it's going to tell us that the x-intercept is negative 0.25. Okay, so I'm going to write that as a fraction. X is equal to negative 1/4. Now let's find the other one. Second calc, left, I've got it. Right, got it. Guess, there, and it's telling us that it's 3, so that one's nice. Okay, x equals 3. This one, we're going to work backwards. We're going to multiply both sides by 4. And we get 4x is equal to negative 1. And then we add 1 to both sides to get 4x plus 1 equals 0. And over here, we're going to get x minus 3 equals 0. Those must be the factors, so I can factor this completely now. Negative 2 times 4x plus 1 times x minus 3. Good. So there's that. Now, it says to solve the equation, this by factoring. Well, we just factored it, so let's write it down here. Negative 2 times 4x plus 1 times x minus 3 equals 0. And now we've just got to figure out what values of x are going to solve this equation. Well, this is sort of irrelevant because we need to make either this, or this equals 0. We can't make this equal 0, so we forget about it. So it's either 4x plus 1 is going to equal 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Solving this, we get x equals 3. Here we get 4x equals negative 1. Dividing by 4, we get x equals negative 1/4, which we sort of already knew from our factoring process. But if it asks us to solve by factoring, that's the process that you would have to go through.